Every day, banks, loan providers, insurers, and telecoms send millions of critical emails, payment reminders, loan approvals, insurance renewals, and bills. But what if those emails land in spam? Imagine sending 100,000 emails a day and 70% land in spam. That's 70,000 customers who never see their bill or repayment reminder. Even if just 1% don't pay, that's 700 missed payments costing millions every year. At warmupip.com, we fix this with 100,000 plus mailboxes powered by 1,000 plus laptops, 1,500 smartphones, and a 5,000 plus human network. Your emails are engaged with daily, opened, read, clicked, and moved from spam to inbox. We rebuild your domain and IP reputation so your messages reach the inbox where they belong. For one leading lender, inbox placement jumped from 30% to over 90%, saving more than $5 million in recovered repayments in just 6 months. Don't let your emails get lost in spam. Visit warmupip.com and keep your revenue safe, straight to the inbox.